Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kumar Sahu. This video is our second assignment of the project, that is the design analysis of seismic resistance building for the online process of Skyfi Labs. Here in this video, I am about to define and analyzing the seismic resistance load on the given structure with the help of two methods, that is response spectrum method and time analysis method on the ETAP software. So here we can see a 40-story tall building structure. Here in the last video, I have already applied the dead load, live load and the wind load. So further in this video, we will be applying the seismic load. For that, we need to go to define menu. So clicking on define menu, we can see load pattern. Just click on over here. Before that, we need to unlock the model first to continue. So it will ask you permission. After unlocking the model, go to define, go to load pattern. So here we need to put the load as seismic load, the type as well as seismic, and the auto lateral load as the IS code, that is IS 1893-2002. Click on add a new load, then click the modify lateral load. Here we consider the load has to be applied on X and Y direction, so we need to deselect the rest of the directions. For the seismic zone factor G, we need to follow the IS code, that is IS 1893. So we need to go to the page 5 of IS code for the seismic zone map of India. So here we can see the seismic zone map of India. Here we consider our building has to be constructed on Bangalore city, and as you can see, the Bangalore city has comes under a zone 2 category. To find out the zone factor, we need to scroll down to table 2, that is the clause 6.4.2. Here you can see the different seismic zone type and their seismic zone factor value. So our seismic zone factor has to be 0.1 as for this zone 2. So I need to put 0.1. I need to put 0.1 as the seismic zone factor. For site type, we need to further going to the figure 2 of the IS code. So for the type of soil, we can see the different type 1, type 2, type 3. Here we consider our construction is to be carried out on the medium soil, that is the type 2. So we have to put the site type as 2. For importance factor, we need to refer to table 6 of IS code. So over here you can see table 6 of IS code for the importance factor. Here we consider our building has to be as residential building. For that, the importance factor has to be value as 1. So we need to put the importance factor as 1 over here. Then the response reduction factor. For that we need to refer table 7 of IS code. Here we can see our building comes under the first type, that is ordinary RC moment resistance frame. For this, the value of response reduction factor is 3. So we need to put the value as 3 on the software. Here we have defined the seismic load onto this structure.
Now we'll check the unit of accelerations before putting the values. For this, we need to, here you can see the acceleration unit. Now we will further proceeding to apply the load. Now we will go to load case, apply, click on load case, click on add new cases, give the name as response factor. Here we have already defined the response spectrum. Now we will analyze the structure. Press OK. So now we need to perform the structural analysis of the structure. For that we need to go to assign menu, analyze menu. For that we need to go to analyze menu. Here we will set the load cases to run. Click over there. Now we can see our different load that are dead, live, seismic and response spectrum are over here. So you don't need dead and live has to run. Go to exit. Now we will add the seismic time history functions to our building model. For that, go to define, go to functions, and click on time history. Click file from here as you want to import a file. Click on add new function. Here we'll browse the Bhuj earthquake 2001. So go on browse. So now we have defined the time history functions. Now we will analyze the function. So for that, just go to analyze and design code is set to be IS 456 2000. So now proceed the same procedure. Then go to start design / check. By clicking on that, the software will start the design check of the structure. So this is the complete analysis on seismic resistant building design using both the functions that are response spectrum vector and time history analysis.